Gina, you're wearing sweatpants. It's Monday.
So?
So that's against the rules, and you can't sit with us.
Whatever.
You can't sit with us! You can't sit with us! You can't sit with us! You can't...
Coca spitting fire, but this outfit on some icy shit. Bitches bout that life around the world, that's who I'm likely with. Ain't been off my game, bitch, I've been working, I don't like to switch. Turn that into something from the hood, and I don't like to bitch. Can a youngin' get some space? I'ma get him murked any day. Niggas hit the corner every day. We gon' get paid anyway. Hoes getting turned at the show. Pound of the ush for the road. Other times I hustle on the low. If cops tryna ask, we don't know. Look at me. Bitch, look at you. All them niggas looking at me. Ain't nobody looking at you. You bitches can't sit with me. You bitches can't sit with me. This spot's reserved for me. You bitches can't sit with me. You bitches can't sit with me. You bitches can't sit with me. I be getting turned, bitch, all the time. My homies off the shit. I ain't got no energy for niggas on some softer shit. Once I'm out their crib, it's straight to riding in them proper whips. I am out your league, I'm not the one who you should argue with. Yeah, I do a song for a miller. Nah, I ain't no other bitch realer. Pussy bitch, I ain't gon' kill ya. But only cause I got a family of killers. Got the white boy Mac Miller. Smoking on the loud from my dealer. All white straight from the dealer. Now it's off to the islands and the villas. Look at me. Bitch, look at you. All them niggas looking at me. Ain't nobody looking at you. You bitches can't sit with me. You bitches can't sit with me. This spot's reserved for me. You bitches can't sit with me. This spot's reserved for me. You bitches can't sit with me. No way. You bitches can't sit with me. You bitches can't sit with me.
Fits me right now. Fine. You can walk home, bitches.